Perimeter. Topics covered: perimeter of a rectilinear figure. Perimeter of a rectilinear figure. The sum of lengths of all sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of figure ABCDE is equal to AB less BC less CD less DE less EA. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to sum of all sides, which is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. Example 1. Find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle whose each of equal sides is 5 cm and the third side is 9 cm. Solution: perimeter of the given triangle is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 9, which is equal to 19 cm. Example 2. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 4 cm, 5 cm and 9 cm. Solution: perimeter of the given triangle is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 9 equals to 18 cm. Now let us learn the perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure whose opposite sides are of equal lengths. So we have two equal lengths and two equal breadths. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth equals to length plus length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Example 3. Find the perimeter of a carpet whose length is equal to 5 meters and breadth is equal to 2 meters. Solution: perimeter of the carpet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 5 meters plus 2 meters is equal to 2 into 7 meters equal to 14 meters. Perimeter of a square. A square is a plane figure whose all four sides are equal lengths. Perimeter of a square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side equals to 4 into side. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Example 4. Find the perimeter of a square book cover of side 15 cm. Perimeter of a book cover is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 15 cm, that equals to 60 cm. Example 5. Aryan runs around a square field, length of each side of which is 80 meters. Mona runs around a rectangular field whose length is 90 meters and breadth 60 meters. Who will run more in 3 rounds and how much? Solution: distance run by Aryan in one round is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 80 meters equal to 320 meters. Distance run by Aryan in 3 rounds is equal to 3 into 320 equals to 960 meters. Distance run by Mona in one round is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 90 plus 60, that is 2 into 150 is equal to 300 meters. Therefore, distance run by Mona in 3 rounds is equal to 3 into 300, that is 900 meters. Thus, Aryan runs more distance by 960 meters minus 900 meters, that is 60 meters. Example 6. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular field 105 meters long and 90 meter wide at the rate of Rs 15 per meter. Solution: length of the field is equal to 105 meters. Breadth of the field is equal to 90 meters. Perimeter of the field is equal to 2 into length plus breadth equals to 2 into 105 plus 90, which is equal to 390 meters. Rate of the fence is equal to 15 per meter. Therefore, cost of fencing is equal to 390 into 15 equal to 5850. Hence, the cost of fencing of the field is Rs 5850. Example 7. A ground is 150 meter long and 85 meter wide. Alia jogs around it 4 times. How much distance does she cover? Solution: length of the ground is equal to 150 meters. Breadth of the ground is equal to 85 meters. Perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth equals to 2 into 150 plus 85, that is 2 into 235 equals to 470 meters. She covers a distance of 470 into 4, which is equal to 1880 meters. Horts. Mehul's yard is 25 meter wide and 42 meter long rectangle. Harish's rectangular yard is 3 times as long and 3 times as wide. Which perimeter of the yard is longer? Mehul's yard is 25 meters wide and 42 meters long. Perimeter of Mehul's yard is equal to 2 into length plus width, which is equal to 2 into 42 plus 25, that is 2 into 67 equals to 134 meters. Now let us calculate Harish's yard. Length of Harish yard is equal to 3 into 42 meters, which is equal to 126 meters. Width of Harish yard is equal to 3 into 25, that is 75 meters. Perimeter of Harish yard is equal to 2 into length plus width equals to 2 into 126 plus 75 equal to 2 into 201 is equal to 402 meters. Harish yard has a longer perimeter of 402 meters compared to Mehul's yard, which has a perimeter of 134 meters. A rectangle is cut into two equal squares if the perimeter of the square is 48 cm. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of square 48 cm is equal to 4 into s. Therefore, s is equal to 48 by 4, that is 12 cm. So, length of the rectangle is equal to 2 into s, which is equal to 2 into 12 cm equal to 24 cm. And the width of the rectangle s is equal to 12 cm. Now, let us calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 24 plus 12, that is 2 into 36, which is equal to 72 cm.